Hello students, in this lesson we are going to discuss about the topic unitary method. If you have not done any of our previous day challenges, then please go back to the previous videos, complete the problems and then you can start here. Now coming to our day 10 challenge, which is unitary method. So what is unitary method? Unitary method is a way of solving the problems by first finding the value of single unit. The word unitary itself means unit. So let's understand this with an example. Say for example, a boy named RM. So he buys 5 pens for a cost of 100 rupees. Now we have to find what is the cost of 3 such pens. So this problem can be solved with the help of unitary method in 3 simple steps. The very first step is identify the unit, whether it's 1 apple or 1 hour, 1 liter. In our case, it is the cost of 1 pen. Next is find the unit value itself, find the cost of single pen. The last step, apply that unit value to find the value of many such units. So let's solve this problem with our steps. So we know that we have to find the cost of 1 pen. So the second step is find the cost of 1 pen. So cost of many is given. You have to find the cost of 1. So what operation you need to do? Obviously division. So divided 100 divided by 5, which gives you rupees 20. Now go for the last step, which is finding the cost of 3 pens. So cost of 3 such pens. So cost of 1 pen is known. Now cost of many you have to find. So what operation? Obviously multiplication. So 3 times 20 gives you rupees 60. So the cost of 3 pens would be 60. So we can solve the same problem using our proportions. How? Let's relate it with the help of proportion. So 100 rupees for 5 pens. So what will be the cost of 3 pens? Now rewrite it to get the unknown one, which is your question mark. So 3 times 100 by 5, which gives you 1 time 20 times, which is rupees. So 60. So you can wonder why we are using proportions. Basically, in proportions, we use unitary method only. Unitary method is the basis for your ratios, proportions, percentages, speed, distance, time, and so on. Okay. So it is a must that you understand unitary method in a better way. I hope you're clear. Now, let's try to understand the pattern that we have got just now. So if you observe the pattern here, if A items cost rupees B, then C items would cost B by A times C, which is nothing but we are doing the division to get the single value, single unit value, and multiplying again to get the value of many. So to summarize, we can again say that first thing that we are doing is finding the value of 1 unit by doing division. And the next step, finding the value of many, which is the required number of units, by multiplication. So this is the pattern used in our unitary method. So now let's understand the types of unitary method. So where exactly used? What are its types? You might not wonder here. The types of unitary method are direct proportion and inverse proportion. So these two are the types of unitary method. What is the direct proportion? If one quantity increases, the other quantity will also increase. That is, if more pens, then more cost. Less pen, less cost. Inverse proportion is the opposite. If one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases. Example, more workers doing a particular job means it takes less time. If less workers, then it will take more time. So this is a very, very important concept which comes in every competitive exams. Okay. So direct proportion and inverse proportions are nothing but a type of unitary method only. And where it is used in our real life. everywhere. When you go for shopping, when you cook 3 cups of flour can make 12 cakes. How many cups needed for 24 cakes? Unitary method. Speed distance time. The car takes this much time to cover a distance of 100. What will be the time taken for 300 kilometers? Okay, again, unitary method. Then wages and work, currency conversions. These areas are just the examples of where we use the unitary method in real life. Now, why we learn the unitary method? As I already told you, unitary method is the basic of every other topics like ratios, percentages, proportion, time and work, speed distance time, profit loss, currency conversion, etc. etc. So unitary method is the basic and I hope you're clear by now, right? So let's go to our math challenge 10. The first problem is a printer prints 60 pages in 3 minutes. How many pages can it print in 8 minutes? Problem number 2. A car uses 5 liters of petrol to travel 60 kilometers. How much petrol will it need for 150 kilometers? The problems are easy. Just break it down in 3 simple steps that we have discussed already. So let's discuss the answers for this in our next video. I hope you try it and don't forget to post your answers. And if you like this video, give a like and subscribe to our channel for more such valuable lessons. Thank you.